Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ms. Tahira Balkar from Peshawar Model School, Nowshera. I am here with lecture number 3 of your June home task. I have delivered first two lectures to you in the previous week, and I told you in those lectures that you have to do this work in your new copies, as you have already submitted your uh, SVT copies for the month of April and May in the school, and now for this task you have to use your new copies, and I hope you have done your first two questions in your new copies. Okay, let's move forward to the lecture. Okay, so we have question number 3. This is remove one letter from each word to make a new word. The letter can come from anywhere in the word. If you remember, we have done this question in the SVT of April or May. In one SVT you had this question, and this is the same like that. You just have to remove one letter from the word. Like there is the word CASK. Just remove one letter from it, and I removed C from it, and it becomes ask. Second word is CAPE. Remove E from it, the word is cap. 3 is fair. Remove F from it, and it becomes air. The fourth word is WARD, ward. I removed D from it, it becomes war. The fifth one is SHAM. I cut S from it, and it becomes ham. We have next word, it's cost. Remove S from it, and it becomes cot. Next is price. Cut P from it, and it becomes rice. Next is SCONE. Remove S from it, and it becomes scone. Then next is weight. Remove W from it, and it becomes eight. In these words you can see we have done them in April task. This question was there, and there is no difficulty in this question. Okay, so this question is simply very easy, because you just have to remove one word from it, and I will give you a task for this question, but after question number 4. Let me start question number 4. Question number 4 is a story. You have to write a story on the moral greed is curse. Greed is curse, Urdu meaning is lalach buri bala hai. So we have to write a story about this. You might have heard these stories from your childhood. We are listing different kind of stories regarding this moral lesson. So here is your story. But let me tell you one thing, that whenever we write a story, we always use past tense second form of the verb. As in my previous lecture, I told you in the task of May, in the last lecture, I told you about the story of greed is curse, but that was a different story. Now this is another story. But in that video, I told you about second form of the verb, that whenever we write a story, we always use past tense. So let's read it, and then I will tell you that where I have used second forms of the word. Okay. The story is, once a farmer lived in a village. He was very poor. His income was very small. He passed his days with difficulty. One day someone gave him a hen. It gave a golden egg every day. Soon he became very rich. All began to respect him in the village. He became greedy. He thought that inside the hen there must be a storehouse of golden eggs. He should get them in a day. Then he would be the richest man in the village. He took a knife and cut the stomach of the hen. The stomach of the hen was empty. He did not get even a single egg. He lost not only the golden eggs, but the hen also. The moral lesson is, greed is a curse. Now let me tell you the Urdu meaning of this story. That एक फार्मर था, एक किसान था, और वो बहुत गरीब था, और उसकी जो कमाई थी वो भी बहुत कम थी. वो बड़ी मुश्किल से अपनी ज़िंदगी गुजार रहा था. एक दिन उसको किसी ने एक मुर्गी दी, hen दी, जो रोज़ एक सोने का अंडा देती थी. और जब वो अंडा देती थी तो उसके गोल्डन एग्स की वजह से वो बहुत उसको बेचता था, और उससे वो मनी अर्न करता था, जिसकी वजह से वो बहुत रिच हो गया था. और सब लोगों ने गांव में उसकी रिस्पेक्ट करना स्टार्ट कर दी थी। He became greedy. उसके अंदर लालच पैदा हो गई. He thought that inside the hen there must be a storehouse of golden eggs. जब उसके अंदर लालच आ गई तो उसने सोचा कि शायद जब वो hen के अंदर उसको कट करेगा तो उसके अंदर से उसे बहुत सारे गोल्डन एग्स मिलेंगे. उसके बहुत सारे गोल्डन एग्स मिलने से वो बहुत जल्दी और भी ज़्यादा रिच हो जाएगा. एंड ही थॉट दैट वो सारे एग्स एक साथ ले लेगा और वो बहुत ज़्यादा रिच हो जाएगा. He took a knife and cut the stomach of the hen. उसने छुरी ली और जाकर उसका स्टमक काटा. लेकिन जब उसने उसका स्टमक काटा तो उसका स्टमक बिल्कुल एम्प्टी था. उसको एक एग भी वहाँ से नहीं मिला. उसने ना ही सिर्फ अंडों को खो दिया, एग्स को खो दिया, बल्कि उसके साथ हेन भी चली गई. जो उसको एक रेगुलर एग मिलता था वो उससे भी वो भी चला गया. द मॉरल ऑफ दिस स्टोरी इज के कभी भी लालच नहीं करनी चाहिए. So the moral lesson we get from this story is greed is a curse. So today we have done question number 3 and 4, and I will tell you some past tense here, that these words I have used here. In the first line, the word lived is the past tense of live, L-I-V-E. In the second line, I used past, P-A-S-S-E-D, second form of pass. In the next line, I have used gave. This is the second form of give. Again, here the word gave, the first form is give. Then here it's he became. This is the second form of become. I told you the second forms or the past tense and second form are the same things. Okay, so in these 4 lines I told you the form of verbs, second form of the verbs. Now it is your task to find out more forms of second form of verbs or past tenses in the remaining lines. This is your task to find out and just underline them with the pencil. Okay, and also find out their first form of the verb. I hope you already know their first form, but if you find any word whose first form you don't know, so you have to find it out. And the task for this is your task for your home. Like you, whenever you have leisure time, free time, you can do this task and just underline it. This is a very easy task. The second task is from question number 3. You have to find out the meaning of these words: ask, cab, air, war, ham, cot, rice, cone, 8. Apparently the meanings of these words are very easy, but for some of you there will be some difficult words, so you have to find out these words in the dictionary. You already know how to use a dictionary, so use it and find out these meanings. It will enhance your vocabulary. Okay, I will come with another lecture. Your 2 questions are left. Till then, Allah Hafiz.